Tools for Guys here, and today we want to go over how to start a portable generator. In this video, we're going to show how to start two different generators, the Generac 3300 and the Westinghouse 5300, so that you can see, regardless of the brand, starting a portable generator is pretty much the same. Now, please note, prior to starting any generator, always ensure you have gas and oil in the generator before you start. So let's go ahead and get started.
Like you said on the video?
I gotta get my glasses. I can't tell which way is on for fuel.
Oh.
Can you read that? See right here, my little fuel gauge?
So note to self, make sure you have your reading glasses on.
That's on, okay.
Note to self, make sure you have your reading glasses on.
That's off. Okay, all right, we're on. I got full choke, right? That's full choke. Somewhere it tells me, oh, there it is. This is a little picture. It says full choke right there. You're choking. Me says you're choking.
Hey, so hold on. What type of choke is it?
Choke.
Okay.
So the choke, there's a long story on choke. Basically, it just allows for a richer mixture of fuel, so you can. Let's see. I did push. There's an on button. Okay, I did get that on there. One more time. Of course,
There's a guy that tells you at the top.
here we go.
All right. We have liftoff. Woo! And now we want to show you how to start the Westinghouse 5300. Again, you'll see it's very similar to starting the Generac 3300 or many other portable engines. Again, please note, prior to starting, always ensure you have gas and oil in the engine. And that's whether it's a portable generator or any other engine. Let's get started.
All right. So this is my generator, Westinghouse 5300 to 6600. All right. I'm gonna start it on the cold start. I haven't started. This is the.
Oh, Aaron, this is the one you said that's electric start. Ah, I see the battery now. Okay. Hey, but yours still has a pull cord like mine does over here.
So you have both options, the pull cord,
Okay. Well, yeah, mine has a pull cord.
but yours doesn't have the electric start.
Oh, that's nice. Old man like me, man, I get tired of having to pull that cord every time.
Yeah. So when you store, you take it off right here.
Oh, so it won't drain the battery.
So they got it easy.
Huh? You said easy. Okay.
That was easy.
All right. Okay. Well, good enough.
All right.
Does your have on?
And you haven't used this since when?
Don't forget the.
Yeah. Well, that's the choose on there. So there's a little guidebook. I don't know if you've seen it. There's one on yours.
Oh yeah.
That maybe
that's what that's
you
for.
should have read it when it took you so long. All right. So you got to make sure this is on. The same thing.
And you're gonna show that. Let's see.
Hold on.
See what
Let's
he's
see.
messing with
So
over
this
there.
is on over here.
Okay, that's the field direction. Yeah, I found my glasses, by the way.
And it's the choke.
Read
This is
that.
on.
Yep. Don't choke on this one there.
And then you got the manual start or the electric start.
Okay.
I know Manuel.
Okay. Well, Manuel's not gonna start this one. We're gonna push a button or something.
All right. So we
Oh,
got
you
this.
just turn on the button, huh?
And then you just turn the button.